Many of the world's most advanced defense factories still rely on surprisingly old-fashioned methods to keep track of production. Important information is often written on paper, stored in spreadsheets, or even kept in an engineer's personal notes. That means moving a design from the drawing board to the factory floor can be much slower than it should be, with plenty of opportunities for mistakes along the way. A big reason for this is that many factories were built over decades using different machines, disconnected software, and separate production systems that were never designed to work together. Instead of trying to patch together outdated technology, Anduril built its manufacturing system from the ground up with software at its core. The result is ArsenalOS, a platform designed to connect every stage of production into one seamless workflow. The company compares manufacturing to what the military calls the kill chain, a process that rapidly identifies, tracks, and engages targets. ArsenalOS applies a similar idea to production through what it calls the build chain. It starts by defining requirements, then moves through design, sourcing materials, assembly, testing, and finally deployment. Unlike traditional factories, where designs can become locked for months or even years, ArsenalOS keeps products flexible, making it much easier to update them when new challenges appear. One of the biggest advantages is that design changes automatically flow through the entire production process. Updated work instructions are generated instantly. Factory teams always see the latest version, and every product can be traced back to the exact design revision it was built from. That greatly reduces costly errors, prevents outdated parts from being assembled, and makes future upgrades much easier. Behind the scenes, ArsenalOS combines Anduril's own manufacturing software with specialized commercial tools into one connected system. It can automatically check inventory, determine which tools are needed, guide technicians through each assembly step, and monitor production in real time. Every weld, bolt, inspection, and test is digitally recorded, creating a complete history for every individual component. The software doesn't stop working once the equipment leaves the factory. It can also help predict maintenance needs, organize future upgrades, and keep detailed service records throughout the product's lifetime. This level of visibility helps reduce costs while improving reliability and speeding up production. Anduril believes the future of defense isn't determined only on the battlefield. It's also shaped inside factories capable of building advanced equipment quickly, adapting to changing requirements, and responding to new threats without long delays. As military production becomes increasingly important around the world, software-driven manufacturing could become just as critical as the weapons themselves. ArsenalOS is still evolving, but it represents a major shift in how complex defense equipment can be designed, built, and maintained. By combining digital engineering with automated manufacturing, Anduril aims to create factories that are faster, smarter, and better prepared for the demands of modern defense.